If your washing machine is lathering up like this and producing way too much soap and possibly leaking from the detergent drawer like this, then there's a good chance that the drainage hose on your machine is blocked. And in this video I'm going to show you how to take it off and clean it out. So first of all, we have to get under the sink and remove the hose from the sink attachment. Now this is the hose here, the one in question, and we need to remove this clip. I'm undoing this with a proper hose clip tool, but if you haven't got one to hand, then a flat blade screwdriver will do. There we are, and we just take off the hose like so. Okay, so now it's time to pull the machine out from underneath the kitchen unit so that we can get to the drainage hose. Before attempting to do any work on a washing machine, always remove the plug from the socket. So with the machine pulled out and tilted back, we can get underneath it to gain access to the other end of the drainage hose where it fits onto the drainage pump. We need to undo this clip and then pull the hose off of the pump. So take the clip off with a pair of pliers. Now this is really fiddly, so don't be annoyed if you don't manage it first time. This is obviously edited, so I have managed it first time. And now I'm going to pull the hose off. It will come off fairly easily once that clip is out of the way. This retaining clip from the back of the machine so that we can pull the hose right out of the machine. Now I find the best way to unblock it is to push it over the hot tap on your sink and your bathroom and drain it into your bath. Now the water will come out, so you need to hold that onto the tap, and you will see a lot of dirt and lint, gunk and grime come out of this. It'll probably be quite disgusting. There we are, that is just grime off your clothes and lint. While we're at it, we're going to remove the front plate with a flat bladed screwdriver so that we can gain access to the filter or trap, debris trap. And to unscrew the debris trap, you just turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out, and if there is any debris in there, you'll be able to remove it. It's actually not too bad. So to reassemble is the opposite of disassembly. Put the hose back through, place it back onto the pump, which is more fiddly than taking it off. Once it's on, you got some room, put the clip back the same way as you took it off. Not easy, but make sure you do it properly, otherwise you'll end up with a puddle all over the floor. Put the front plate back on, just clips back into place. And put the hose clip, retaining clip back onto the back of the machine. Then we put this end back onto this sink. Do up the hose clip, that is a must, don't forget. We don't want any mess underneath your sink in a kitchen unit. And then we need to push back the machine. Obviously don't forget to plug it in. And there we are. The drainage issue is now solved. No more lathering up and no more leaking. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.